Puppetry also works with Canva. You can find it in the Apps section on Canva, create the puppet there, and then add the text for the video.
To start using Puppetry in Canva, open a new project, click on Apps, then type Puppetry. In the search bar, you can start using it right away without a account on Puppetry. Create the puppet there and then add the text for the video. It saves all of the presenters and then create the video for you. Like on their website, it takes time to generate the puppet. Puppetry on Canva has the limitation of the free account. To use the puppets you created, you need to go to the app. It will show you the puppets you've created, saving each one it generates. If you want to use a puppet in a video or customize it differently, click on the pencil next to the puppet to go back to the design page. There you can create a new video, allowing you to use the same image repeatedly in your videos. While the video is processing, you can leave the app and do other things, as it will generate the video in the background. You can choose specific voiceovers from AI, only whether it is a woman or man's voice. This makes it less customizable than using their website. However, it's good to know that you have the option in Canva for free. When you insert Puppetry in Canva, it will appear as a small square. You can use it as a talking head in the corner while you have the presentation or other creation in the Canva editor. If you want the puppet to be in a circle, you can add a circular frame and place the video inside it, just like you would with any other video. Afterwards, download it as you would with any other video in Canva. You will get the Puppetry logo at the end of the video. Just heads up in case you prefer not to have the logo on your video. If you want to remove the logo, you can shorten the length of the video.